Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about functions of protein. Now let's dive in a topic. Word proteose meaning primary or first place. Proteins are made up of amino acids that join together to form long chains. You can think of a protein as a string of beads in which each bead is an amino acid. There are 20 amino acids that help form the thousands of different proteins in your body. Now, functions of protein. Number one, growth. Protein is required for the growth and maintenance of tissues. Your body's protein needs are dependent upon your health and activity level. Number two, energy. Protein can serve as a valuable energy source, but only in situations of fasting, exhaustive exercise, or inadequate calorie intake. Explanation. In case of fasting or in case of carbohydrates storage is low or exhaustive exercise, our body uses amino acids from breaking down skeletal muscle so that amino acids can supply us with energy. Number 3 causes biochemical reactions. Enzymes are proteins that allows key chemical reactions to take place within our body. Explanation. The structure of enzymes allows them to combine with other molecules inside the cell called substrates, which catalyze reactions that are essential to your metabolism. For example, bodily functions that depend on enzymes include digestion, energy production, blood clotting, muscles contraction. Lack or improper function of these enzymes can result in disease. Number 4 acts as a messengers. Some proteins are hormones, which are chemical messengers that aid communication between your cells, tissues, and organs. For examples, insulin signals the uptake of glucose or sugar into the cell. Glucagon signals the breakdown of stored glucose in the liver. HGH, human growth hormone, stimulates the growth of various tissues including bone. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, signals the kidneys to reabsorb water. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, stimulates the release of cortisol, a key factor in metabolism. Maintain structure. A class of proteins known as fibrous proteins provide various parts of your body with structure, strength, and elasticity. For example, these proteins include keratin, collagen, and elastin, which help form the connective framework of certain structures in your body. Keratin is a structural protein that is found in your skin, hair, and nails. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and is the structural protein of your bones, tendons, ligaments, and skin. Number 6. Maintain the pH of the body. Proteins act as a buffer system, helping your body maintain proper pH values of the blood and other bodily fluids. For example, Hemoglobin binds small amounts of acids, helping to maintain the normal pH value of your blood. Number 7. Boosters immune health. Proteins form antibodies to protect your body from foreign invaders, such as disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Number 8. Transports and stores nutrients. Transport proteins carry substances throughout your bloodstream, into cells, out of cells, or within cells. The substances transported by these proteins include nutrients like vitamins or minerals, blood sugar, cholesterol, and oxygen. Number 9. Balances fluids. Proteins regulate body processes to maintain fluid balance. Albumin and globulin and are proteins in your blood that help maintain your body's fluid balance by attracting and retaining water. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel Science Kick. Allah Hafiz.